In this video, we will learn how to divide the number 500 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 5. We know that 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, we get 0. As 0 is less than 5, so we will bring down this number 0 here. Now see that this is the number 0, so we can remove 1 0. Now we know that 5 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 0 again. Again 0 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this number 0 here. Again this is the number 0. So we will remove again 1 0. Now 5 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 0. As we have obtained the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 500 divided by 5 is equal to 100. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.